Now, if you've got to drill several holes to exactly the same depth, here are 3 simple depth gauges you can make from things you'll find right around the shop.
Technique number 1 calls for tape. Now, you can use just about any kind, but I like something, well, cheery. I wrap the tape around my drill bit at the depth I want the hole. Then go ahead and drill, stopping when the edge of the tape reaches the surface. Now, it is possible to over-drill using tape, so here's a method that will prevent that. Hold a piece of 3/4 inch dowel with a pair of multi-groove pliers and drill a hole through the center. Trim the dowel to the length you need it and slip it over the bit. Now, when you reach your desired depth, the drill will stop on its own. And finally, take a piece of copper electrical wire, insert one end into the drill chuck, and begin wrapping it around the bit in a clockwise direction. Now remember, clockwise as you face the drill. When you've wrapped the wire you need, use a pair of needle nose pliers to tuck the end in place. When you drill, you'll have both a visual and mechanical stop. I picked this up from the folks at the Airstream Trailer Plant. Hey, thanks, guys.
Well, there you have it. 3 simple ways to make depth gauges for your drill: tape, stop block, or wire.